Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top airline stocks to keep on watch. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall, I hope you guys learned something. But before we actually jump into the episode, I want you guys to go ahead and check out my blog, moneywithcarter.com, talking about investing, money management, trading, stuff you guys would definitely benefit from. So now, let's jump into the episode. Roll the intro, let's go. Bam! So we all know Warren Buffett as being one of the greatest investors of all time and the third richest man in the entire world. Well, over the past week, Warren Buffett sold off all of his airline stocks due to the coronavirus. Now, these stocks were stocks such as Delta Airlines, United Airlines, American Airlines, and Southwest Airlines. Those were his top positions for airline stocks. Now, when he said this and when he actually followed through with it, these stocks fell anywhere from 7 to 10%. And do I think that Warren Buffett caused these stocks to fall that much? Yes, I do. The reason why I think that all these stocks fell that much from him was because we all know Warren Buffett as being the greatest investor of all time. And when you hear the greatest investor of all time is selling airline stocks, what are you going to do? Are you going to buy, or are you going to follow the greatest investor of all time? So this caused a lot of panic sell, and a lot of people were freaking out that were holding these positions, which made that stock fall even more, which was absolutely insane. So now, one of the most common questions that I get asked on the podcast, I get asked on my YouTube comments, and I get asked in the group chat is, do you think airline stocks will recover? And the short answer to this is yes. I do think they will recover, but I do think it's going to take a couple of years. Now, the reason why I do think that it's going to take a couple of years, I think that's fast. I think these cruise lines are going to take a lot more than a couple of years. The reason why I think that is because airlines are more essential than cruise lines. Cruise lines are more of a luxury. You go on them to go on vacations, and you don't have to go on them. Airlines, you kind of do have to go on them if you want to travel out of state, and it's a lot faster. Also, it may take a couple of years for people to feel comfortable traveling, going on airplanes, going to, resorts. And I do think that it's just a matter of time before that happens, but you have to understand that there's risk, and it could take a little more than you guys thought in time-wise. So now, what are the top airline stocks that I would keep on watch that have a very, very high ROI, return on investment? Now, understand that these stocks are risky, and you could see these stocks fall even more before they actually go up in value. So now, what are the top stocks? All right, so the very first stock here is ticker symbol ALK. This is Alaskan Airlines. So this stock had some nice resistance here at 75, some beautiful support at 50, and this stock got slammed by the virus all the way going down to about $30, hitting lows all the way down here at around $20. And I do think this stock definitely has a lot more potential than a lot of other ones, just because it was kind of in a little bit of a flat line or in some consolidation before the virus. So I do think that this stock is going to get bought back up pretty quick. Now, the second one here is ticker symbol DAL. This is Delta Airlines. The thing that I like about this one is this had that uptrend before the virus. So once the virus came, it got slammed all the way back down to about $22. And this stock did have, look at this nice, beautiful uptrend. That is the definition of an uptrend, because you can draw out the resistance, and then you can go ahead and draw out the support for this stock. You guys can see it. So now, due to the virus, it got slammed down. So I do think that the stock's going to recover a lot faster than Spirit and a lot of other ones that aren't even on my watch list. So this is another one here. It's ticker symbol JETS. This is an ETF for the airline stocks. The thing that I do like about this one is this one shows consecutive growth. You guys can see it slowly is going up. This stock doesn't, or this ETF doesn't pay a dividend, but this stock has a huge ROI, return on investment. I think that this stock could definitely pop back up to at least 19 and then slowly move its way up to 25, and then within a couple of years it will be trading at 30 and then 32. This stock and ETF definitely has some promise. So the last one here is ticker symbol UAL, also known as United Airlines. So this stock here, you guys can see we do have this little uptrend and then got slammed due to the virus, trading at $25. It's still undervalued. So I do think that this stock definitely has hopes. All of these do. That is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode on the top airline stocks, and if you guys did, make sure you guys smash that like button. I kind of changed up the angle of the camera, and I honestly love it. So now that's the episode. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys stay safe out there. Roll the outro. Let's go. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care.